Management 1110, presentation by Kim Shiver on religious discrimination. Management 1110, presentation by Kim Shiver on religious discrimination. Management 1110, presentation by Kim Shiver on religious discrimination. Management 1110, presentation by Kim Shiver on religious discrimination. Management 1110, presentation by Kim Shiver on religious discrimination. Management 1110, presentation by Kim Shiver on religious discrimination. Management 1110, presentation by Kim Shiver on religious discrimination. Management 1110, presentation by Kim Shiver on religious discrimination. Management 1110, presentation by Kim Shiver on religious discrimination. Religious discrimination involves treating a person, an applicant or employee, unfavorably because of his or her religious beliefs. Religious discrimination involves treating a person, an applicant, or an employee unfavorably because of his or her religious beliefs. Religious discrimination involves treating a person, an applicant, or employee unfavorably because of his or her religious beliefs. Religion incorporates both religious practice as well as religious belief. There is sometimes a conflict as to whether a group qualifies as a religion or is secular in nature. There is sometimes a conflict as to whether a group qualifies as a religion or is secular in nature. Religion incorporates both religious practice as well as religious beliefs. Harassment can include, for example, offensive remarks about a person's religious beliefs or practices. Although the law doesn't prohibit simple teasing, offhand comments, or isolated incidents that aren't very serious, harassment is illegal when it is so frequent or severe that it creates a hostile or offensive work environment. The law forbids discrimination when it comes to any aspect of employment, including hiring, firing, pay, job assignments, promotions, layoff, training, fringe benefits, and any other term or condition of employment. Title VI also prohibits workplace or job segregation based on religion, including religious garb and grooming practices. The First Amendment applies directly to the federal government and to the states through the 14th Amendment. The First Amendment to the U.S. Constitution provides for freedom of religion. Congress shall not establish a national religion, thus ensuring the right of individuals to engage in whatever religious practices they wish. The First Amendment provides protection in regards to freedom of association and religious preference. If a person chooses to associate socially only with members of his or her religion, that is a protected choice. It is unfair for an employer to choose its employees on the basis of their religious preference. Bona fide occupational qualification requires a person of a particular race, color, religion, gender, or national origin to be hired. The qualification should relate to an essential job duty and is considered necessary for operation of the particular business. The Workplace Religious Freedom Act is currently before Congress. Certain clothing or grooming habits are protected, unless they present an undue hardship to the employer. This act was first proposed in 2005 as an amendment to the Civil Rights Act. An accommodation may cause undue hardship if it is costly, compromises workplace safety, decreases workplace efficiency, or requires other employees to do more than their share of the work. An employer may be required to make reasonable adjustments to the work environment that will allow an employee to practice his or her religion, such as flexible scheduling, voluntary shift substitutions, and job reassignments. Employers do not have to allow religious services in the workplace, nor do they have to accommodate an employee beyond what the religion itself requires. Also, employers do not have to permit employees to promote their religious beliefs at the workplace. Human resource advice would consist of learning the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution in regards to religion. Know that religion is protected under Title VI of the Civil Rights Act, and acknowledge that a person's religion has no bearing on his or her ability in regards to their job performance. Religious discrimination is the fastest growing category of discrimination according to the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Claims of this type have risen 87% since the year 2000.